Transparency International recently released the Corruption Perception Index 2020, highlight the findings of the report and the impact of the corruption in the public health emergency, along with the measures to reduce the corruption. Corruption Perception Index, released annually by Transparency International, ranks 180 countries by their perceived level of public sector corruption according to the experts, business people. It uses a scale of 0 to 100, where 0 signifies the highest level of corruption and 100 is very clean. Denmark and New Zealand topped the list with scores of 88, following by Finland, Singapore, Sweden, Switzerland, and Syria scores the least, and Somalia, South Sudan are scores of 12 each with the least CPI 2020. The data shows, despite that, you can see that Denmark, New Zealand, Finland, Singapore, Sweden, Switzerland, these are the top highest countries in the corruption perception index. That is, these are fair countries. When coming to the bottom countries, South Sudan, Somalia, Syria, Yemen, Venezuela, these are the low score countries. The data score shows that despite some progress, some countries still fail to tackle the corruption effectively. Like in the previous years, more than two-thirds of the countries scored below 50. That is, like previous years, more than two-thirds of the countries scored below 50 in CPI 2020, with a global average scores of just global average score with a global average score of just 43. Since 2012, 26 countries have significantly improved their CPI scores, and CPI scores have decreased in 22 countries. Nearly half of the country, nearly half of the countries have been stagnant on the index for almost a decade, indicating the lack of government efforts to tackle the root cause of corruption. The highest score in the Asia-Pacific region, which covers 31 countries, is New Zealand, was the top performer in the Asia-Pacific region. Other top-scoring countries in this region are Singapore, Australia, and Hong Kong. India's ranking in the CPI 2020 slipped from 80 to 86, even as its scores decreased by 1 point to 40. Score 40 from 41 in 2019. 80 to 86. So India's score of 40 is below the global average and Asia Pacific average. India's score is also lower than that of China, which is scored 42 with a rank of 78. However, Pakistan fared poorly with a score of 31 and the rank of 124. Corruption, a health public emergency. The corruption poses a critical threat to the citizen lives and livelihood, especially when combined with a public health emergency. Clean public sectors correlate with greater investments in healthcare. Uruguay, that has highest CPI score in Latin America, Uruguay in Latin America, 71, invest heavily in the healthcare, which aided in response to COVID-19 and other infectious diseases like yellow fever and Zika. In contrast, Bangladesh scores just 26, whereas 71 invest little in healthcare, due to which there is high corruption during COVID-19, ranging from bribery to health clinics to misappropriated aid. The countries with higher corruption levels also tend to be worst violators of rule of law and democratic institutions during the COVID-19 crisis. For instance, Philippines 34, where the response of COVID-19 has been characterized by major attacks on human rights and media freedom. Measures to address this corruption. Government must ensure open and transparent contracting to identify conflicts of interest and ensure fair pricing. Anti-corruption authorities and oversight institutions must have sufficient funds for anti-corruption authorities and resources and independence to perform their duties. Governments must also publish relevant data and guarantee access to information to ensure that the public receives easily accessible, timely, and meaningful information. Taking appropriate measures to tackle corruption will not only ensure that the resources actively reach where they are intended to and those who need them the most, along with the creating the right conditions and social infrastructure to deal with future public health emergencies. Transparency International is an international NGO, non-governmental organization, which is based in Berlin, Germany. It was founded in 1993. It has a provision of a world in which government, politics, business, civil society, and daily lives of the people are free of corruption. Its mission is to stop corruption and promote transparency. accountability, and integrity at all levels and across societies.